So we are having tutoring today after school, Tuesday after school, Wednesday after school, and then again the mornings are still starting at 7. I just have a meeting at 8 on Wednesday and Thursdays, but if you get here early, that'll probably just be you. Usually. So Wednesday we might have no meeting, so anyways, come in the mornings too. However, for this warm-up, this is based on Friday's notes. We learned similar means what about the size, or sorry, the shape. Is the shape the same or no? Same shape, and the size is different, right? So different size, meaning it can be bigger or smaller, that's what makes it similar, but it's the exact same shape. Now, what did we learn about the angles of similar figures? Are the angles the same or no? They actually are. The angles are the exact same, but the sides are not. What's that word we have for the sides? It starts with a P. Proportional, right? Okay. Check it out. We have, and we learned this on Friday, we want to make two fractions that we can cross multiply and divide. But first you need to connect your corresponding sides. Now I want you to notice these two triangles are similar and they've been rotated. Okay? So let's think about this. What does 87 correspond with? It'll be this one on the far right. Those are going to be the same. Okay, this, let's say 54 is on the bottom. That's going to correspond with the other one on the top, actually. Okay, because it's been rotated. It does matter. So it's been rotated, so it's got to be up here. And then the last ones are going to be 3 arcs. Those are the same. Now, real quick. What is corresponding for the side? So what does 5 match up with on the other triangle? So remember, it's been rotated. So 5 actually goes with 25. And then 7 corresponds with what? X plus 15. And again, I like to put that in parentheses. Is everyone looking up here? It's because you're going to have stuff like this on your assignment today. You connect what is corresponding, and then I'm going to write two fractions. So whatever I connect is a fraction. 5 and 25, 5 over 25 makes a fraction. Equals what over what? Not 1. Okay, so we just did left to right. 5 over 25. So I'm going to do left to right. What's this? 7 over x plus 15. Okay. So it's by side links, okay? So again, I connect them because I'm going to make those into fractions. Connect and connect. So now all I got to do is do that cross multiplying, or some people call it the butterfly method. Let's do this. 25 times 7 is what? 175. Equals, now, how do I multiply 5 times x plus 15? Anytime you have a parentheses like that, I want you to write it next to each other. So 5 and then parentheses, x plus 15. And then my next step is when I'm going to multiply them, okay? Now, how do I multiply 5 into a parentheses? What's that called, by the way? Distribution. Distributing, right? 5 times x, 5 times 15. So yeah, 5 times x is 5x. 5 times 15, 75. And then on the left side, I'm going to bring down 175. Okay, last two steps. On the right-hand side, I got to get rid of both of these. Which one do I get rid of first? The loner, right? So everyone knows you get rid of that 75 first by subtraction. That's the opposite of adding, right? So minus 75. What's 175 minus 75? 100 equals 5x. And to get rid of that 5, divide. So 100 divided by 5 is 20. Okay, so on your assignment today, let me be clear. You got to show work. So if there's something like this, you need to connect the two sides that are corresponding, the two pairs, make the fractions, and show me that you can cross multiply. Okay. I got people trying to skip steps and they're getting stuff wrong, and they get all mad. Why do I have to show work? Because you're getting it wrong. Please show your work. Please, please, please. All right. Next thing. It asks us for two things. Define x and also define y. Now, y is up here. Now, real quick. Remember, we said the angles are the same, right? Is everyone looking here? So if this one arc is 87, what's this one arc over here? 87, right? And then also, if this is 54 down here, 54 up here. Now, how do I find a missing angle if I know two other angles in a triangle? Add them up, and then subtract from 180, the total, yeah. So, 87 plus 54 is 141. Take that away from the total, 180. And I get 39. So y equals 39, 39, 39. Question? So I'm going to pass out your assignment. Take the pass. Please remember that you need to have out your notes. Some of these problems are like certain problems on your notes, and if you have questions, I'm going to ask you, show me your notes, because it's going to be on there, I promise you, okay? You need to be working on this today. Also, last week we had 2 assignments on congruence. You want to make sure both of those are turned in. So we're working today. We're not wasting time. Grades are due by the end of next week, right? So you want to be passing for the 9 weeks and the semester. I'm going to be contacting home if you're not passing very soon, after I grade your last quiz. All right?